In 2025, the biggest advantage isn't working harder. It's letting AI agents work instead of you. Today, I'll show you 5 AI side hustles that real people are already using. And I'll actually run the AI agents live so you can see the results. No theory, no hype, just execution. Most people still think AI is just a chatbot, but that's already outdated. There are now AI agent marketplaces, like MuleRun, where instead of chatting, you hire AI experts to complete tasks like a real team would. Writers, designers, analysts, researchers, and this completely changes what one person can do. Let's start with the first side hustle, and this one alone can replace a full-time income. Side hustle 1. Faceless AI content channels. Side hustle 1 is building faceless content channels. No face, no voice, no personal brand. AI agents generate ideas, scripts, thumbnails, and short-form videos. In the content creation section, there's an agent called Auto Short Video Creator. Run it. Enter an idea, and then caption for the video. The AI agent will take some time and create the video.
Imagine an intelligence that predicts your every word before you even type. This AI doesn't merely finish sentences, it taps into our deepest thought patterns.
You can create content for brands or for yourself. This is exactly how many viral shorts and TikTok pages operate. Monetization comes from ads, affiliates, and eventually brand deals. This side hustle takes patience, but it's one of the most scalable on this list. Side hustle 2. AI YouTube thumbnail and creative studio. Side hustle 2 is running an AI YouTube thumbnail and creative studio. Thumbnails decide whether a video gets clicks or dies. Hiring designers is expensive, revisions take time, and testing multiple ideas is painful. This is where AI agents make a huge difference. Let's try this YouTube thumbnail agent. Run it. Enter the title of what you want. Choose a style. Upload the face that you want on thumbnail. Here 2 thumbnails are ready, and they are pretty good. Here's another agent. Let's try this also. Enter the title, image, size, and hit confirm. The thumbnail is ready, and it's amazing. It included the gameplay in the background and added a reaction on face. Side hustle 3. AI content agency. Side hustle 3 is running an AI-powered content agency. Businesses need content every single week. Blog posts, landing pages, SEO articles. The problem is, writers are expensive, slow, and inconsistent. This is where AI agents shine. I select a content writing agent, enter all the details that you want about your blog. Let's generate about pre-monetized accounts. Choose the writing style and hit run. Within minutes, the agent generates a structured article, headlines, sections, and optimized content. The blog's in the HTML format. Let me show you. It has generated an image in the blog, a well-structured article with sections. In the end, there are all the sources linked that are included in the blog. This is the same type of content businesses pay hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars per month for. And here's the key. You're not selling writing. You're selling results. Traffic, rankings, consistency. Many people package this as a monthly service. One client, one niche, recurring income. And AI handles most of the work. Now let's move to side hustle number 2. This one surprised me the most. Side hustle 4. AI e-commerce visuals. Side hustle 4 is offering AI product visuals to e-commerce sellers. Traditionally, product photos require photographers, studios, models, editing, and time. Costs easily exceed $1,000 per shoot. Watch this. Let's try this product creative labs agent. I upload a product image and use AI visual agents will do all the work to generate model shots. This replaces a photographer, a model, and a retoucher, clean backgrounds, and multiple styles for different markets. And it's done in minutes. Shopify and Amazon sellers need this constantly, especially small brands that can't afford studios. Here's another agent called Product Creative Studio. Let's upload the same product image and choose social media takeover. It has generated 6 different images, best for social media campaign. This replaces a photographer, a model, and a retoucher, and it's done in minutes. You can charge per product, per image set, or bundle it as a visual package. This is one of the fastest growing AI services right now. Side Hustle 5. AI Resume and LinkedIn Optimization. Side hustle number 5 is AI resume and LinkedIn optimization. The job market in 2025 is brutal. People don't want better writing. They want better positioning. Here's an agent called Resume Gen. Whether you can create a new resume or import an existing resume. I have this plain text containing all the details, paste it, and AI agent will process everything. Within seconds, a clearer, more professional version is ready. In templates, you can choose any style that suits best, can change color, and many more. I upload a resume, select a resume optimization agent, and instantly get a clearer, more professional version. The before and after difference is obvious. This works because it's emotional. People are stressed about jobs, promotions, interviews, and they're willing to pay for an edge. Many charge $50 to $200 per resume, using AI to do most of the work. Many creators are already paying $5 to $20 per thumbnail, or monthly packages for consistent uploads. All 5 of these side hustles use AI agents that actually complete tasks, not just answer questions. This is what building in 2025 looks like. If you want more real AI workflows like this, subscribe for more. And if you want to try these agents yourself, check the link in the description.